It's one thing to know the law, it's another thing to know people. That's what makes Kodner Watkins unique, a law firm of people focusing on other people's needs and the outcomes they want. They're people like you and me, with strong work ethics and a personal one-on-one approach to working with clients.
I think what separates us from the other law firms is how accessible we are, how easy we are to talk to. We welcome walk-in visits, we take our time, people come in, they relax, they have a cup of coffee, we talk about their problems. I don't think you can get that at a larger law firm, but you can get it here.
Clients are terribly frustrated when they hire an attorney and they make a phone call to the attorney's office and the receptionist says, "May I ask who's calling?" And then they're subsequently flipped over to voicemail. Okay, drives clients crazy. We don't screen our calls here at this office. When you call me, if I'm in the office, I'm going to pick up the phone and I'm going to say hello. And we're going to have a conversation about your case. I don't separate part of my day where I don't take calls. If I'm here in the office, I take your call.
The most important thing that we have to recognize as lawyers is that the matter we're addressing for our client is the most important matter in their lives, generally. And we can't take it lightly.
Another thing that sets them apart is the specific knowledge that each attorney brings to the table, all specialists in their fields. It's this knowledge, along with personalized service, that produces positive top-dollar results.
Well, most firms cover like maybe one particular avenue. They may do real estate law, they may do insurance defense, but our firm has a wide variety of areas that we cover, and very few firms actually do that.
If you hire this law firm to handle a workers' compensation case, you're hiring a partner to handle that case from the moment you sit down in the intake conference room to the conclusion of the case. I'm the person you're going to talk to on the phone. I'm the person that's going to go take the depositions. I'm the person that's going to take it to trial.
I think every client expects a high level of expertise and experience from their attorney. I think our clients are most surprised after our representation with the amount of emotional attachment that we have had with them as people, not just as clients.
Winning in any legal arena requires the will to prepare.
In preparation for trial, I think knowing the facts inside and out, preparing and knowing the facts is the biggest thing I can do to make a difference in the outcome of the trial.
We take painstaking steps to prepare our case, make sure that our research, our discovery, and our evidence is ready to go in the event that the case reaches the courthouse steps and has to go to trial.
The ultimate endorsement of a law firm's commitment comes from people with first-hand experience.
They took the time to explain everything to me and to my son, and at no time did we ever feel like we were pressured into making a decision that we were uncomfortable with. And throughout the whole process, I always felt that they really had my son's interest at heart, and we were just very appreciative for what they were able to do for him.
If I knew somebody that was in a serious car accident, I would definitely tell them to get on the phone and call Todd Muchnick immediately. He will do what you need to have done, and he will get the results that you're looking for.
Well, I think this law firm and the people that work here are very professional, and they do a good job to make sure that their clients have all the things that they need, and they provide the services that people need. And if I needed an attorney, this is where I would come.
If you're in serious trouble and you feel like all's lost in this world, you need to call Kodner Watkins.
But in any legal matter, your most important need is a positive outcome that brings closure for you and your family.
There's no better feeling than to be able to go to a family that's been through so much and to tell them that we've won the case. And while we can't go back in time and eliminate their problem, we can give them some sense of satisfaction and some peace of mind that they can go forward with their lives. That's why I do what I do.
I feel better about practicing law now than when I first started practicing law, and that's because I've realized over a long period of time that I can actually make a difference in people's lives.
If you're injured, if you're worried about a legal situation and you think you need representation, call our office, come visit us, meet our attorneys. We can help you.
Ultimately, results are what count. And if you're seeking a law firm that is going to vigorously pursue your objectives, and to do so in a fashion which includes you and brings you along in the process, quite frankly, we're your firm.